Tender Manager feature enables key staff to create and share tenders with selected contractors. So let's have a look. I've come into Quote Manager, create a new quote, and now I have this new feature where I can create a tender instead of a quote, whether they be ad hoc or scheduled. Fill in all of the key details that relate to the tender and then click Create Tender. So let's have a look at one I've already created here in my list. So this is this first one for audio visual equipment in the gym. So it's $250,000. It's quite big, and it's looking for an upgrade to some portable house scoreboards fitted in the gym, 2 large ones, some LED screens and other portable screens to show house points, custom logo, and it's got to have a 5-year warranty. You can add in all these additional documents. Now I can see who it's been sent to, and I can add additional contractors I want to send it to. So it's got this simple form that I complete, decide who it comes back to. So I'm going to select Matt Apers. So really simple and easy to now send that tender out to selected contractors and then be able to track their responses when they come in. So a really great new feature that's been added to AssetWhere Facilities Management.